Hello and welcome back to Top Troops, everybody. And today we will be taking a look at Chambers of Destiny on our secondary account, and we are still on tier 8, not strong enough for tier 9. I tried and I barely made it to, well, almost, not barely, almost made it to the end of, the first floor. Yeah, it was bad. It was very bad. Try again. Let's go. What gear would we want? Anything with attack. The rest doesn't really matter. Now, planning your route. Obviously, these mercenary boxes are first prize and you must try and get to as many of them as you can. Then the blessings and the rank up, not really that important. So obviously we'll be coding for this node, seeing what's in here. If there's something amazing, we'll grab it. If not, we'll just pop over here and grab whatever's in this one. And then try and hit at least 2 blessings on the other side. Now, let's go. That's for my troop setup. Sekhmet is just a crazy healer. Heals the entire squad with that wave healing, and also those shields come in very handy. Obviously, Thor and Werewolf do AoE damage, very handy as well. Dwarf Engineer for that high damage output on single targets also, and then Anya as well, just the damage. So as we progress and we get units, we'll most likely look for some meat shields and tanks as well in between. So let's get on and see what we get. Actually, Necromancer Rat much stronger. So definitely going for Mr. Ratman. Let's see. Oh, this is a really good one to get. Rage is also really good, but I think this is better in this instance. Let's see. Great stuff, and even there, our blessing already came in good use. Obviously, rank 10 is a no-brainer. Let's see what mercenaries we have here now. I might actually do this. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, let's go. Easy enough. Great stuff. Easy choice. Highest level. They're all the same rank. Let's see what blessings we got. Rage. I'm definitely taking that. And here we go. Again, easy choice, but I did see something that I did wrong. These should be swapped around so that that wave hits more of their sword. Now, sure, there. choice, high rank and level. Electrocute, because that wave will do damage. Let's quickly go and see the travel line. Units hit by it will be drenched, lowering their attack and movement. The wave also deals 20% of damage, which is great. Any unit electrocuted while under the effects of Kaimana will receive a one-time electrical explosion. So I think it works that way. Yeah, doesn't really matter at this point. Get something better. And there you have it. First floor is done. Great. Oops. Yeah, let's go so that I can show you guys the map first. Don't get too eager. So let's look at our route. Obviously, we want to hit this node so we can see what both of these blessings are. We'll hit that one to get this mercenary chest and that one. And then obviously, most likely just go for that and finish off strong. Now, go for it. Boom. Easy choice. Yes, I am doing the right thing. Just checking that I'm not missing something. Swashbuckler. Let's see what blessings we got. Nothing too crazy there. I quite like this. That enemies don't deal crits, so those units that normally irritate you can become slightly less irritating. Slightly close, but we'll get a few more good units very shortly. There we go. Mercenaries, what do we want? Yeah, I actually think it will be him. Definitely. And then let's head over to the next mercenary chest and get another one. Yep, I'll grab that also. And from here, let's see, 70. I actually think I need a bit more shield than anything else. And yeah, let's go. Let's do that. good, but let's just carry on. Let's try just switch around and see if this works better. There we go. Easy choice there. Now let's quickly see our blessing. Stun is really good for those ranged units. Choice again, and then third floor, grab a blessing, see what either of these have with those two nodes. One more blessing, two more blessings actually, because we can get that one too, and then we're done. So let's see where we get to. Nothing's gonna jump, so you can go there. Great stuff. Now, let's just take it doesn't really matter at this point. From these blessings, let's just burn them. There we go. Okay, easy choice. Mercenary, let's see. Only warrior is actually looking juicy. Yeah, let's just take Only warrior and get. There we go. Let's put you here on the back. Hopefully it'll help you with some of those. Okay, now let's see, blessing time. Yeah, incoming projectile block is really good. And you're no longer needed there, so go and destroy this. Good stuff, and that's why you need to buff your Sekhmet, guys. She is insane. Okay. Okay, last few nodes. Let's quickly see if we can get this blessing as well. Where are these guys going? Okay, that's fine. Okay, here we'll go with the rank 13 rat, obviously. Then our blessing, assassin, that's fine. And last node, let's get to it. Let's just see how we get along. Actually quite a good run, and let's see what gear we can. And it is an attack glove. Great stuff. Happy days. With that, I hope you guys found this entertaining. What tier and what floor are you guys currently on? Have you progressed since where you were before the update or not yet? I haven't, but I think soon we will be able to do so. But with that, have an amazing day and see you guys soon. Cheers.